Again, hindi po ako food vlogger. Hi guys, so I'm currently here in nasa stock room. Naglakad lang ako papunta dito from my hotel. Around 5 to 10 minutes walk from Pratunam. And ang ganda, very cozy and chill yung vibes dito. Ang ganda rin ng interiors nila. And they also have a photo booth. I think you can see naman from my background na ang ganda talaga. I ordered coconut matcha with raspberry syrup, I think. And then, there's some sort of cheesecake. Hindi ko naalala kung ano to. Check ko yung menu later. But yes, on my way here, makulimlim and then biglang umulan. Buti na lang malapit na ako nung nagsimulang umulan. Kami pa yung naman Honda. I checked yung weather today and mostly cloudy nga and siguro aambon. But that's okay kasi mostly yung itinerary ko for today ay sa mall lang. So, nasa loob lang ako most of the time. And connected naman yung mga malls, so I won't have to worry about getting soaked in the rain. Try natin tong coconut matcha nila. This is my first time trying a coconut matcha. Kahapon, hindi. Yung second day, nag-try tayo ng coconut coffee, which I really like. So, try natin to. Try natin muna ng hindi hinahalo. Let's try muna yung matcha. Ang sarap ng matcha, guys. Though hindi ako expert. Again, hindi po ako food vlogger. Pero masarap yung matcha. I can taste the coconut, which is really nice. Sarap. Try naman natin ngayon yung cheesecake. Kumuha ko ng tubig para lang. Kasi naubos ko na yung matcha. In fairness, naubos ko yung matcha. And try natin yung cheesecake. Pero hindi mo ng tubig para cleanse my palate. Charot. Parang nakakahiya siyang kainin kasi ang cute-cute niya. Tapos ang cute pa nung lalagyan. Sarap. Parang siyang ice cream. Parang ang laki ata nung kagat ko. Masarap siya guys, pero parang ang laki nung kagat ko. Parang sweetness overload ako dun. Especially since kakainin ko lang ng matcha. Pero alam nyo ba, mahilig talaga ako sa cheesecake. Favorite ko mga cheesecake. Pero buti na lang hindi siya yung itong serving nila, hindi siya yung typical na yung slice na cheesecake na parang triangle. Kasi kung ganun, hindi ko yun mauubos. Parang okay dito mag-work. May nakita akong saksakan pero hindi ko sure kung pwede yung saksakan. But there are some guests here or customers here na are working. Though ang hindi ko lang sure is kung hanggang anong oras sila. Check natin mamaya. Kasi may mga i-edit akong photos na first submissions ng August 13. Makakauwi ako August 11. Parang I have 1-2 days lang. So, I have to allot time in this trip na mag-edit. And actually, I don't mind working while on a trip kasi at the end of the day, yung trabaho po ang nagdahilan kung bakit tayo nandito sa Thailand. Ubusin ko tong cheesecake. And then I'll take photos and videos around the cafe. And then we'll go to Central World. Kasi bukas na yung Central World. Or Siam. Mas malapit ata yung Siam dito sa area na to. We'll figure it out later. Bye!
Summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. Manic
Hi guys, so nandito na ako sa Siam Square from the cafe, the factory, or Stockroom Cafe. Naglakad ako papunta dito kasi I wanted to check yung Unit Film Lab. And akala ko makakabili ako ng film doon kasi feeling ko kulang yung film kong dala. I only have one more roll left. Tama ba? Oo, and kakaubos lang nung dala ko na gamit ko ngayon. Apparently, puro film cameras pala yung tinitinda nila doon. Ang dami nilang film cameras, like 70% of their stocks are film cameras and there are around 30% na digital. Pero grabe yung varieties and yung models doon. I even saw yung Olympus Twin, which is my first film camera. I think yung kanilang service is more on repairing film cameras and also selling them. So yun, if you are looking for film cameras, you can definitely check that store out. And then yung staff doon, very nice siya kasi ayun nga, nagtanong ako kung may mabibili ba akong film sa kanila. Sabi nila wala, but I could try Sanap. And then, meron din daw sa Alerts. And then sabi ko, saan kaya ako pwede rin magpa-develop? Sabi nila, okay daw sa Sanap. Sa Sanap, pag yung mga mas professional yung gusto nyong, yung development and scanning, sa Sanap daw yung option. But kung mas natural, sabi ko kasi na-try ko na yung Photo Club, ano yung mas prefer niya? Pag daw yung mas natural lang, artsy-artsy din siguro, doon kayo sa Photo Club. But so far, okay din naman ako sa Photo Club. Kung umurang film daw ang hanap ko, punta daw kayo sa Alerts. Medyo, meron siyang sinend na photo. Nalimutan ko lang yung store name, but I took a photo of it. I'll insert na lang yung name. Medyo malayo lang daw, mag-Skytrain pa. Pero kung hanap ay murang film, doon daw pumunta. Yeah, for now, mag-iikot lang ako dito sa Siam Square. And maghahanap tayo ng mga mabibili. But I don't have any specific plans naman kung ano kung gustong bilhin. But yeah, I'll bring you guys with me as I walk around Siam. And then after this, Central World. Bye!
I wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper. And somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same wave? Nothing breaks so clearly when there's love on the line. My best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh, why would I should've known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar tab. Wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing breaks so clearly when there's love on the line.
Hi guys! So mali pala yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina na nasa Siam Square ako. Nasa loob pala ako ng Lido Connect. So yung Unit Film Lab nasa Lido Connect. And then here, maraming actually mga shops. If you like trendy clothes, super dami dito. And also maraming sa mga photo booths, cafes, and restaurants. And nabuto na actually ako sa 1251 Me. Ang ganda ng pants. Ang tagal ko rin naghahanap ng ganong style ng pants and meron dito. So, binili ko na. And then actually may nakita akong magandang damit dun sa M-Style Man ata yung tao. Parang siyang shop na puro mga Korean style or from Korea actually ata yung mga damit. Pero walang masyadong malaki yung damit sa akin. So, hindi ko siya binili. Hindi tayo mag-impulsive buying today. Cute na to. Parang siyang yung katsa na shirt sa atin. Lumabas na ako ng Lido Connect and I assume this is Siam Square. Ang ganda, para ka lang nasa BGC. It reminds you of BGC. And then, ayun, parang car-free area. And you can just walk around and you'll be surrounded by shops. So, masaya mag-ikot dito. Tanghaling tapat ngayon guys ha. maulap lang. Kaya, ito, naglalakas loob ako naglalakad sa initan. But siguro maganda pumunta dito is mahapon. Ayun, ang daming tindahan. Parang ka nga nasa BGC. It's really nice to walk around here and shop. Hindi ko mauubusan ng pupuntahan dito. And also, if ever man na halimbawa mainitan kayo, meron ditong mga parang shopping centers na may aircon. So may nakita akong Matter Makers. And I've been seeing it online, so I guess it's worth checking out. So hello, galing ako dito sa Matter Makers and sayang bawal mag-video sa loob, ang ganda ng store sila. One thing I realized about Thailand is super creative nila when it comes to retail design. Like yung mga stores nila, ang gaganda, grabe. If you guys are here sa Siam Square, it's worth checking out Matter Makers. Though yung mga damit nila is not particularly my style. Meron ako nakitang hat na gusto kong bilhin, kaso 1,200 baht. Yeah, even if it's not your style, if you like design or fashion, it's worth checking out Matter. Ngayon, lumabas na ulit yung araw. Parang hindi ko na ulit kaya maglakad outside. I'll just check my Google Maps again. Baka may makita ako store. And I might also eat lunch na kasi magwa 1 o'clock na. Again, hindi tayo pwedeng malipasan ng gutom. One thing na I'm trying to be better at is allotting time to eat. Sorry. Hello, so may nahanap akong food court. Parang siyang outdoor food court here sa may dulo ng Siam Square. Basta around Siam Square area. Dapat doon ako kakain sa isang restaurant. Pero kasi nag-withdraw muna ako. Wala na palang cash. And yung pagka-withdraw ko, I noticed na meron parang food court dito. So bumili ako. Doon na lang ako bumili. Ang binili ko is yung nakikita ko online na parang barbecue or satay. Tama ba? Ang binili ko parang barbecue. And then may kasama lang siyang sticky rice. And then, bumili ako per drink, bumili ako ng, sabi ko red lime soda, pero lime soda lang yung naiintindihan ng seller. Okay lang. Ang sarap. Parang siyang Sprite na may kalamansi. First time kong magta-try nitong sticky rice with this. Try natin. Actually, ito 12 baht lang to guys. 12 baht pati yung isa. Ito, nalimutan kong i-check kung magkano. Medyo naninibago lang ako sa sticky rice. Parang I wish regular rice na lang yung meron. But ito, masarap to. Ito ata yung pork. And then, ito yung chicken. So I made it here in Central World. So from Siam Square, konting lakad. Charot, hindi naman konti. Siguro around 10 minutes na walk papunta dito. Pero connected naman sila. Like may mga walkway sila na connected. So it will be easy for you to go if mag-mall hopping kayo here sa Siam. Actually, for this mall, ang hinahanap ko is yung brand na Songmon. Meron silang pop-up dito. I've been eyeing that brand, that bag, for a while now. And sakto, meron silang pop-up dito sa Central World. It's a brand that's from Shanghai. Akala ko nga parang Korean brand siya, pero Ano siya? From Shanghai pala siya. Gusto ko lang talaga tignan. I have no plans of buying. Pero gusto ko talaga siyang tignan. Kasi nga tagal ko na siyang nakikita. Pero hindi ko lang alam kung anong floor siya. Also, I wanna check yung bag na Osoy. Yun yung Korean brand na alam ko, yung Osoy. Meron din sila dito. May matter makers din dito. Feeling ko nasa baba yung pupuntahan ko. So, baba muna tayo.
Don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know. I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you. Don't be frowning, baby. You know I love you time and time again. Yeah. I've been trying lately, but I'm not perfect. I've been searching, then you came into my life. So I'm done making my mind up now, cause you've been spinning my head around. I only want you, baby, that's the truth, cause
Hi guys! So from Siam Square, pumunta ako ng Central World and then pumunta ako ng Central Embassy. And ang saya lang kasi very convenient maglakad dito. Isipin nyo Taft, tapos may skywalk yung Taft. Or like underneath ng LRT2. Tama ba? LRT2 yun? Hindi, LRT1. Isipin nyo sa ilalim ng LRT1, may skywalk. Very, very convenient. Though I must say, ang init. Pero at least, hindi ka nakikipagagawan sa mga sasakyan habang naglalakad. And hindi ka rin mauulanan if ever umuulan. And actually, nagpahinga lang ako dun sa may Central World. Pumunta ako dun sa open house. Ang ganda ng space na yun. Parang siyang food court, but make it trendy. And make it a co-working space. Kung hindi lang mabigat yung laptop ko, like nagdala ako ng laptop today, sana nakapag-edit ako ng photo. Yeah, right now I'm walking back to Siam. Tama ba itong nilalakaran ko? Ngayon ko lang na-realize. May tama. Pabalik ako ng Siam Square. Kasi pupunta ako dun sa Sanap Film. Magpapadevelop ako ng isang role ulit. Para lang matry ko yung pagpapadevelop doon. Hi guys! So I'm not exactly sure kung anong tawag sa lugar na to, but it is in the area of Siam. Kaharap ko ata yung Siam Paragon. Hindi, MBK. So I can see MBK right now, and ito yung area kung nasan yung Pop Mart. This place kind of reminds me of BGC and Ximending. Madaming shops and malawak rin yung space for pedestrians and shoppers. And they can just walk around freely.
Hi everyone, it's currently 7 in the evening. After going to Sanap Film, I went directly back to my hotel again kasi nagpahinga na ako. Napagod ako. Naramdaman ko yung pagod ko from the last 3 days. Ayun, nagpahinga lang ako. And then also, before going to the hotel, may nadaanan akong parang food stall. Nagtitinda ng noodles with roasted pork. And I bought that for dinner. Masarap siya. For 75 baht. Okay. Ayun, nagpahinga lang ng konti. Nagpalit ako ng damit. Kasi pawis na ako dun sa t-shirt ko kanina. And I have some photos to edit that yung deadline is on August 13. Medyo alangan siya kasi 11 pa ako makakauwi. So, I need to allot some time during this trip to edit some of my photos, which is fine with me because at the end of the day, my work pays for my trip. So, I need to do a bit of hustle. Also, wala din naman akong itinerary for today. Dapat nasa original itinerary ko is Siam Paragon, but ayoko na mag-mall. Pagod na ako. So, mag-work na lang ako today. I ordered Okonomi. So, this is parang espresso with yuzu juice. Nalimutan ko pala kung sabihin ko na saan ako. I'm here at Central Embassy at Open House. So, it's like a whole floor dedicated to co-working. It's like a food court. It's designed for co-working. So a lot of the people here are co-working. And that's why I need to shut up now because a lot of people here are co-working and they didn't want to disturb people. So I'll go back to work. I'll drink my cup of coffee and call it a night. Bye.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me. And she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing running up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. I'll never know, I'll never know. We were nothing I like and I kinda like